What is Austin Custom CNC? My name is Theseus Williams. I'm one of the partners here at Austin Custom CNC. I do a lot of the design work, the engineering, and I help manage and run the shop. Austin Custom CNC is inside the Highland Collective. Highland Collective is a group of creative people, makers, artists, all under the same roof. Primarily, we are a job shop. Having all these skill sets under one roof is great because we're able to approach larger scale projects with all these different resources. In this main area, we're building, we're drawing, things are getting cut. From here, essentially they go into the finish room. After the finish room, they come back out here and they get assembled. We do a lot of walkthroughs actually. Our bay doors are open, people walk in. We'll take them back to what we call the dungeon. A dungeon is 2,500 square feet, 3,000 square feet. We bring them into the wood shop, walk them through all the tools and kind of explain processes with them. And then we go into the showroom. In the showroom we have some furniture pieces and artists pieces and a lot of collaboration. And then we go into the studio space with all the artists. We walk them through the spray room, come back outside, and we just did a big circle. Everything that we draw in 3D needs to be cut by machine. These cuts have curves and interesting geometry, and the only way we can do it is with a CNC machine. A CNC machine, it's essentially a router attached to a robotic arm. The robotic arm can go up, it can go down, it can go left, right, north, south. Now that enables you to cut out shapes, cut out holes for receiving pieces. It enables you to use different bits, like a chamfer bit, to create chamfers or 45-degree cuts. And all that information that it cuts comes from your 3D model. We're very good at just thoughtful design. It doesn't matter how big the project is, we break it down to its smallest piece so we can control the quality of that.
We really love what we do. We take pride in the detail and the quality, the high standards that we put out. If you have a project and you're looking for a fabricator, a designer, a maker to help you take that on, come by, look us up.